So I've had this Micro Sprite scooter for a couple of years, and today I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to start using it. I like to keep the scooter in the box when I'm not using it, and it even comes with a convenient handle so you can easily carry it to the car or to wherever you're going to. The scooter is suitable for kids and adults because it can handle weights up to 220 pounds. As you can see, the scooter folds up nicely and is also easy to unfold. The long handle on the side locks and unlocks the T-bar. And you can also extend the T-bar by opening this latch, and then closing it will lock it into place. And the most important feature to know about this scooter is the braking system. You can use your foot to press down on the back wheel, and rather than pressing down firmly, I actually usually like to do a gradual stop, and this braking system allows for that. And here's a demonstration of that. This first shot, I'll do it really slow so you can see the footwork. And then for this second shot, you can see I missed the back brake a bit, but was able to adjust my foot and finally brake to complete stop.